So we're supposed to have a cyclone storm here in the Central Valley as well, here in California. It's not that bad yet. It just started raining. There are light winds. They aren't heavy yet. It is freezing. So it just seems like another rainy day. But supposedly we're supposed to get heavy rain around 2 a.m. here. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully all this water benefits California and we finally get out of the drought. That would be nice. Anywho, so yeah, hope you guys are enjoying and thank you guys for watching.